So this question is proof by induction. We need to prove that this term is divisible by 5, right? And since it's proved by induction, we need to work on n. Or can I put this question in this way as well? 3 to the power of 2n plus 4 minus 2 to the power of 2n 5n, where your m belongs to integers, right? And it's true for all the natural number, for all natural number n, and your n is greater than 1, right? This question can be put in this way. So let's start. Proof. Step 1. Put n is equal to 1. So what it gives us? 3 to the power of 2 times this plus 4 minus 2 times 1. So now 3 to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 2. So that's a 729 minus 4, and that's 725, right? 725 is divisible by 5, right? So what do we get? N is equal to 1 is true. Now step 2. Assume given statement is true for m is equal to k. It's 3 to the power of 2k plus 4 minus 2 to the power of 2k is equal to 5 times m dash, where your m dash belongs to some natural number. We get this. Let's just rearrange this term before moving ahead. So 3 to the power of 2k plus 4 will be 5m dash plus 2 to the power of 2k, where your m dash belongs to integer. Let's label it as star. Now, step 3. To prove given statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1. So what do you get? 3 to the power of 2k plus 1 plus 4 minus 2 to the power of 2k plus 1 is equal to 5m double dash, where your m double dash belongs to integer. Now let's consider LHS. 3 to the power of 2k plus 1 plus 4 minus 2 to the power of 2k plus 1. So let's just handle it first. 3 to the power of 2k plus 4 plus 2 minus 2 to the power of 2k plus 2. That gives you 3 to the power of 2k plus 4 times 3 squared minus 2 to the power of 2k times 2 square. This gives us 9 times 3 to the power of 2k plus 4 minus 2 to the power of 2k. Okay, now you have star, right? Where 3 to the power of 2k plus 4 is equal to this. Now let's just use star and sub it in over here. Let's see what it gives us. So this is 5m dash plus 2 to the power of 2k times 9 minus 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 2k. So this is 9 times 5m dash plus 9 times 2 to the power of 2k minus 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 2k. You have 2 to the power of 2k and 2 to the power of 2k same. And think it of like x is equal to 2 to the power of k, right? So it becomes 9x minus 4x, and that's equal to your 5x. Let's sub in back. So it will be 5 times 2k. Okay, it gives you 9 times 5m dash plus 5 to the power of 2k. That's, let's pull 5. So it's 9m dash plus 2k. Okay, and this gives us 5 times m double dash, where your m double dash is 9m dash plus 2k. This implies n is equal to k plus 1 is true. Okay, so can I say, therefore, by mathematical induction, given statement is true for all natural number n.